Hi, everybody. Today in writing, we are going to start what is called a topic sentence. Yesterday, you learned how to write a hook or lead, and you actually got to write 3 different leads or hooks for your informational text that you're going to be writing. Today, we're going to work on topic sentences. A topic sentence, which is also known as a thesis sentence, introduces your reader to what you will be telling them about. It should include your topic and all 3 subtopics. So, when you're writing a paper, especially an informational paper, you want your reader to know what you're going to be telling them about. So you introduce it to them. First, you grab their attention, then you give them a little background information, and then you give them your topic sentence. Okay? Remember, the topic is also known as a thesis sentence. So I have an example of a topic sentence. In fact, I have 2 different ones. The first one I have says, I'm going to tell you about frogs. Did I introduce my topic? Yes, I'm writing about frogs. Did I tell my reader what I'm going to be telling them about? No, I just told them I'm going to tell them about frogs. But that's kind of broad. It's definitely, while it's my topic, it's not exactly what I'm going to be talking to them about. So now I have the second topic sentence or thesis sentence. It says, in this paper, I will tell you about the frog life cycle, what frogs eat, and what eats frogs. Well, I told them what my subtopics are in this one. Does that make it right? Not quite. I actually need to combine these 2 sentences and tell them my topic and my 3 subtopics, but it also needs to be kind of interesting for your reader. So, let me try again. This was my first attempt. This was my second attempt. Here's what I actually need to have. So I'm going to make this a different color so it stands out. I need to have my topic plus subtopic number 1 plus subtopic number 2. And finally, I need subtopic number 3. This will make a good topic sentence. So let me rewrite this information into a good topic sentence. All right, what is my topic? Well, I am going to tell you about frogs. I have my topic. Now I need subtopic number 1. I will tell you about the frog life cycle, what frogs eat. That's subtopic number 1 and subtopic number 2. And what eats frogs. Oh, I pushed the wrong button. Let me try that again. What eats frogs? But now I have 2 sentences instead of just 1. So how do I get those to join together? Okay, well, since it's still 2 sentences, I need to fix that. It needs to be 1 topic sentence. So I'm going to go very minimal with what I have to say. What is my topic? Frogs. And what do I want to tell my reader about frogs? Well, I want to tell them about the frog life cycle. So, frogs have a unique life cycle. C-Y-C-L-E. Okay. I also want to tell them what frogs eat. So, what could I put there? Well, I used a verb here. They have a unique life cycle. Eating is a verb, so how can I use that? Frogs have a unique life cycle. What could I put instead of eating? What's another word that means eat? How about diet? Frogs have a unique life cycle. They have a interesting diet. And then I have what eats frogs. And are also prey for a number of different animals. All right, let's read that and see if it makes sense. Frogs have a unique life cycle. They have an interesting diet and are also prey for a number of different animals. Did I introduce my topic? Yes, frogs. Did I introduce subtopic number 1, which is the frog life cycle? Yes, they have a unique life cycle. Did I introduce subtopic number 2, which is what frogs eat? Yes, they have an interesting diet. And did I introduce subtopic number 3, what eats frogs? Yes, I said that they are prey for a number of different animals. So I have efficiently written what my readers are going to be reading about. This is what I want you to do today. You have 3 different topic sentences or thesis sentences that have been written, and your job is to make them better. Let me show you one way that we could even spice up what we have here. In your class kit today, you have this list of sentence starters. This is a topic sentence idea sheet. So these are ways that you can actually start your topic sentence if you didn't want to start with just what your topic was. So if you didn't want to start with just frogs, perhaps I wanted to start with, you'll soon discover that frogs have a unique life cycle. They have an interesting diet. Let me fix that. They have an interesting diet and are also prey for a number of different animals. So these are sentence starters that you can use to begin your topic or thesis sentence. It's fascinating to learn that frogs have a unique life cycle. And I could go that way. So here's what I want you to do. First, I want you to write down your topic, your subtopic, 1, 2, and 3. Then I want you to change it into a sentence. Frogs, which is my topic, subtopic 1, 2, and 3. Then I want you to go back and add a topic sentence starter. Okay? On your work today, the topic sentence has already been written for you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the work you're going to be looking at. Right here it has a topic sentence. I'm going to tell you how dogs look, behave, and how they are useful. So what's their topic? Dogs. What is subtopic number 1? What dogs look like. Subtopic 2 is how they behave, and subtopic 3 is how they are useful. Your job is to make this a bit more exciting by using the sentence starter and using some powerful verbs. So in my example, it was verbs and adjectives. They have, which is a verb, a unique life cycle. So unique is an adjective. They have an interesting diet. Have is my verb, interesting is my adjective. And then they are prey for a number of different animals. So prey is a verb because it's something that they do or they are. So use your unique verbs, unique adjectives, and your sentence starters to make these sentences better, more interesting for the reader. So rewrite each topic sentence to make it a little more interesting for your readers. So that's what I'd like you to do today. When you're finished, make sure you turn in your Class Kick assignments for the day. You're actually going to write a topic sentence for your paper tomorrow.